Crowne Plaza is the place to meet. Whether you're holding a sales convention, board meeting, or informal get-together with associates, your success is our passion. Whether your need is for a lavish reception or a professional meeting, Crowne Plaza is the place to meet in Jacksonville, Florida. Offering 12,000 square feet of flexible meeting and banquet space for business or pleasure, this Jacksonville Hotel and Convention Center is able to accommodate up to 500 guests in our most popular banquet room, the Duval Ballroom. Crowne Plaza's exceptional location places you and your guests amidst the hip and trendy San Marco Historic District of downtown, home to Jacksonville's best restaurants and nightlife. Guests will sleep better at the Crowne Plaza Jacksonville Riverfront. All guest rooms feature walkout balconies with breathtaking views of the downtown skyline. The hotel offers several on-site amenities, including Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Riverfront Lounge, Crown Bar, the American Grill, Starbucks, a gift shop, valet and self-parking, and complimentary 24-hour business and fitness centers. Consider Crowne Plaza Jacksonville Riverfront your partner in meeting planning. We are event experts who are focused on helping you plan and pull off a memorable and successful meeting, party, or conference in Northeast Florida.